What's going on? My name is Ernest. I'm one of the team members here at theprofitroom.com. I'm looking to buy some Apple calls. Had a 52-week high today, and seems like it's been moving pretty good. So, well, all-time high. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try to buy a couple of contracts here. Probably going a little bit heavy, and I know I'm gonna start off in the red with this one. And I'm just trying to see if we get a nice little push a little bit higher to make another high for the day, possibly. So I know I'm gonna start off in the red with something like this. I'm watching this channel. It was basing at the bottom at 208.24, and of course you know the high today was like 209 and some change. So I'm willing to risk about $100 on here, make it 1-to-1 because it's more of an aggressive trade. About $800 worth of capital. Facebook is just falling like crazy. Of course, Tesla was falling like crazy today. I want to pay for that. I might add a little bit more. So the reason why I'm adding so much, because when it gives me that spike, I want to get out the trade. Now, you know, vice versa. If it gives you the spike down, you're kind of in a situation. I like this right now. So what I'm going to do here, let me just switch over real quick to, I'm monitoring this trade, but let's switch over to Facebook. I'm watching Facebook as well. I like the support on Facebook here at 184. Really do. Let me see. I don't know how low Facebook is going to go. This one, looking at a longer time frame right here. This is some nice support. Maybe we could catch a little bounce. 63 to 65. So we're going to thug life it with both of them. I'm monitoring both trades right here. So both of these trades, looks like Apple's going to push a little bit higher. Got about 1,400 in capital right here. This is only a support play for Facebook. It's in this channel right here. So we'll see what these two will do in a few. I'm more so worried about Facebook more than anything. Not too worried about Apple. So here we go now, guys. Here we go. Both of them are starting to push a little bit. So we anticipated a bounce off support for Facebook and Apple. Most likely, hopefully, we'll reach that same high it did today. So Apple just pushed real quick. Got a quick $60 here. I'm trying to go back and forth to each chart to make sure I'm not missing anything. See, they're tailing up and going back up. So here we go. Here we go. Let's make some moves here. Facebook is actually pushing here. Got Apple pushing right here. Apple, come on, Apple. Do its thing, Apple. Trying to make that new high. So we up 14% so far in Apple, which is great. Look over here, 14%, not that bad. Two trades at once, a little bit more advanced right now. So got 20 contracts with this. See if we can make close to $1.50. Great trade that we caught with Facebook holding that bottom. I was more concerned about that one than anything. So we'll just see what happened. We'll put these orders here. So you see how fast the market turned? So fast. We had about 120 bucks in Apple. Now with Facebook, I'm looking at Tesla's dropping. So something happened, right? But we're still going to trust on those technicals. I placed some orders here for Apple. That's why sometimes, depending on when you're trading, right, you may want to go in heavier contract size when you're day trading. So boom, you get that quick amount of money, you get in, you get out the trade. Because sometimes throughout the day you get these fluctuations. This is only if you're day trading the option. So we're still going to keep that same risk management. We had that money very fast, but it's not for what we wanted. We wanted at least 200 bucks, right? So we'll just pause this video and see what happens. So we see here that the Apple is really starting to push and work its way out. We got 160 on this right now. We got this limit order here set to start taking us out, 49.50. I'm gonna put another, because I don't want to be too greedy on this one. I'm gonna put one at 51. See if we can make some nice profits on this one. It's trying to push. We see the ask right there. You know, we up 19% so far, which is great profits, guys. Which is great profits. We're just, you know, this is just being a little bit stubborn to get us tagged out. So once we get tagged out, that will be a great profit. Boom. Here we go. We got tagged on one already. Come on, 51. Just push us up a little bit more. We have 21%. 21%, which is great gains, guys. This is great gains. Now we can go back over to Facebook and babysit Facebook a little bit. So this is what we're looking for in the afternoon. Something to make some nice profits. Trying to see if we can get tagged out, but we'll just leave that there for Facebook, and we'll just see what happens right now. So we're all out of this trade. We got tagged. Great trade with Apple. So we're going to move over to Facebook and see if we're going to cut the trade or keep it. Nice trade. So we're doing pretty good right here dealing with Facebook. Facebook is giving us some nice profits as well. So we don't want to be too greedy. We made some nice money in Apple, trading 2 trades at the same time. And Facebook looks like it's trying to push and push even higher. So we don't want to be in this trade all day. We did a more of advanced technique, getting in 2 trades at the same time. So I'm gonna put some limit orders in to sell, and what we're gonna do is, you know, pause the video for a little bit, because at this point we just want to make some decent profits and keep it moving and go enjoy our day. So we're all out the trade. We sold those 10 contracts, $290, 2 controlled trades. You saw why we entered and why we exited both trades. Amazing profits here. Like I said, Facebook is probably going up even higher, but we don't want to change the time frame of what we're trading. So if you want to learn how to trade based off of technicals, you could come over to theprofitroom.com. It doesn't matter what market you're trading, futures, forex, options, crypto. We can show you how to place controlled trades like this. All our trades are based off of anticipated movements in the market. So we focus on minimizing the risk, right, and maximizing the profits. As always, get educated and trade safe, and we'll see you in the profit room.